heartbroken. It's a heartbreaking experience for our living legends to not run in the finals, to not run in the semifinals. I mean, it's it felt like the whole world stopped when we saw the updates on Twitter, and then, came to find out that it was true. But what I know is that Shelly is a living legend. What Shelly has done cannot be undone. She is one of one. She has the heart of a champion, and she's somebody who has affected and will continue to affect history forever and ever and ever. Amen. Greatest sport, period. Love you, Shelly. Love you. We love you.
Yeah, listen, Shelly didn't make it, but make it in the race. But let me tell you something. Shelly is the queen of sprint, no matter what. We wanted her to go out in style, go to the big bang. She didn't get to do that, and we feel disappointed about that. But nothing can stop what Shelly has accomplished. She has accomplished so much more as a sprint queen more than any other. So there's just one Shelly, one pot cover. Celebrating royalty, celebrating Shelly, pot cover!
Very disappointed because you know something, I want her to go out with a bang. I want her to go out with a bang. I was looking forward for it, something to a remarkable occasion, historic occasion, but it's like that. Life is like that sometimes, so, just gotta go with the flow, I want to watch us go out in a memorable occasion, but it is what it is, what can I say,
One tier, one tier, one tier.
One Jamaica.
One. Do it not here, man. Do it here. Do it, my girl. The Caribbean girl win! The Caribbean girl! Big up yourself, Caribbean girl! Yes, Caribbean girl, big up yourself! Yeah, that's what my Caribbean see you win! Big up! You see, Tia Clayton, we believe. My girl, this is your first Olympics. I was proud of you. We're proud of her. She ran her heart out there. She gave her very best. And we believe, you see the next Olympics are straight challenge.
Yes. And we're also, it's a big feeling because we're also happy for the St. Lucia girl.
Representing the gold medal of the Caribbean.
We're celebrating with St. Lucia at the moment. Yes.
Happy the fact that Tia is in the final. She's a winner. And I'm happy we still have the Caribbean, going out there showing what they got. Caribbean girl, we're happy for all of them. Tia and Alfred, we're happy.
Unfortunately, we didn't get the goal, but you're still happy with it.
Of course, I'm happy with the performance. I'm happy, so happy. She's still a winner, because she's in the final. She's a winner. A little bit, as I said, a little bit disappointed. Maybe if Shelly was in the final, we would have medals. So we're still happy. We're still happy. Congratulations to our ladies for performing, at the global level and doing well. We're happy for Tia. Congratulations to Tia.
Well, disappointed. Tia should be
We're disappointed. Because I say we should have get something. You know? So we don't get nothing, you know. See, but next time, you know.
Yeah, man. She did her best. We see the strap on her leg, the back of her leg. So, but she did her best. And one Jamaica.
It was a little disappointing that Shelly Ann withdrew from the race, but we are very proud of Tia for trying her best and representing Jamaica while in Paris.